Go.
You know, John and I, we want to share an opportunity with all of you. We've got a great offer from our dear friends at QuickSplint to get a special deal on these little gems. I mean, I don't know about you, John, but I use them almost on a daily basis in my practice.
100%. I mean, I really wish I invented this because this is such a cool product. It comes in its own carrying case. I use this as a deprogrammer, as a temporary splint for patients who have discomfort. I use it as a temporary night guard over provisionals. I use it as a temporary night guard over newly seated ceramics. And then even those patients who you start Invisalign treatment on, and some of them develop pain from bruxism while they're in their trays, you know, you can use this as a temporary night guard over their trays, and they usually get like one reline of the bite registration usually fits 3 trays. So when they come back for 3 new trays, just take out the stuff on the inside, put some new bite reg in, and you're ready to roll. I mean, it is an awesome, awesome appliance.
Right, it is probably, again, I'll take the words, use your words. I wish I would have developed and designed this. They're great. Hey, here's an opportunity. Give them a try. You won't be unhappy, trust us.